Radical transparency is just one portion, but we think about guided expertise as another core pillar. That how do you help people build something that before was seemingly impossible? And that's our world every day, that people come to us with impossible ideas and they're saying, how can we make this? And so to be that expert or that guide, like I want to be the Sherpa taking you up Everest, it takes an entire ecosystem to do that. So folks tend to look at manufacturers as, oh, it's blue collar, or they're just making my parts. These are craftsmen or craftswomen. Like they are experts at what they do. And how do you leverage the ecosystem, whether they're Fictiv employees or they're a part of our ecosystem or network, to help build the impossible? I think that that's our goal. It goes back to automation that needs to be human plus machine, and that human should be helping guide people in building expertise. And really the manufacturing partners, they're a key pillar to being these experts and helping provide advice.